Good morning, you guys. I wanted to show you guys this, which I consider a failed acrylic pour. And I have the video where I started it. I do not have the video where I poured because I wasn't posting yet with the videos. I just was trying to see how it was going to work out as far as with me doing a video. So I'm sorry about that. I will start posting these videos showing you how I'm getting these effects, but I do want to show you when I'm talking about how it went wrong. So this was actually a mirror frame. I painted the frame. As you can see, a piece of this has chipped off, which I can paint back. But the real problem and concern is here. As you can see, this bubbling effect. This is where the paint has gotten up under the surface. And so it has created a bubbling effect up under the surface. So nothing's perfect and we all have to learn. So that's one of the things. Well, I will be showing you my mistakes that I'm making on the videos. This particular one, it was actually buckled in several places and it was not smooth like it is here. It had lumps and bulges all over the place where I guess the paint, and it wasn't flat. So as you can see, this is kind of a pretty neat design here in the middle with the lacing and cells. But then it started rolling off and it started, rolling off and fading away, as you can see, where it did not level off like it was supposed to because the background was not, I guess you want to say leveled, but it was not intact like it should be. And I tried to see if I could take this part off